Uh, Good evening. This is Brian Alarcon, repost live from Tenjo, Cundinamarca. Eight this morning, people were waking up when the ground suddenly started shaking. Uh, by building uh, broke down a road, drags and power ran out across the house. The air uh, cake measured 7.8 on the Richter scale, and aftershock followed for hours. The impacts jumping enormous. Many families lost days jump and reaction times are estimated trying uh, to click up the debris. Hospitals are full and many roads are crossed. The quake also caused landslide and contaminantos water system. Authorities said they jan serves a small listing before the quake, but they should jab evacuated sooner. If they just done that, many lives could just be saved. If the government job investing an early warning system, the damage to job being less service, and if people gender ignores the field tremors, fewer building would job collapse. Now, rescue teams from Orden, Ryu Jab, Arain, Winford, and Woket. The community is working target to rebuild young warlords. Um, it will take months, but people here are strong and determined. This jam beat Brian Alarcon, report foul from Tenjo. Back to you in the study. Thank you.